healed my soul. Sin, me not fall. Midnight thoughts, them creeping slow. Voices talk, but them no show. Dreams full of signs, me can't ignore. Them knock on spirit door. Temptation sweet but bitter end. Confusion come like trusted friend. Me feel worry on me chest, but me still chant, still manifest. This a spiritual warfare. Me spirit stand strong, no fear. Them shadow come close each year, but me light still bright, so clear. Spiritual warfare. Me pray, me fast, me here. Spiritual warfare. Jah guard me soul right here. False light flash on the screen. System talk like it's clean, but me overstand the mask. Them smile, hide the evil task. My shield is truth, my sword is word. Me guard me heart with each verse heard. Them cipher fail, me code is roots. Me step in balance, barefoot truth. This a spiritual warfare. Me no fight with gun or spear. Me chant, me meditate clear. Me no run, me rise from fear. Spiritual warfare. Me know them, they near, but me now wear no fear. Me now fight flesh, me fight vibration. Me now fight man, me fight illusion. Me no draw blade, me draw breath. Me no seek war, me chant life to death. Shield up, soul strong, chant fire all night long. No weapon formed against I shall stand. Me walk with fire in the palm. So when the storm rise, me still, me hold stillness in Jah will. Them throw curse, me bless more. Them build trap, me open door. Me cover mine with ancient sound.